What's going on? Welcome back to the channel, Ham's Views. And today we're putting together a lat pull down. This right here is the iron axe seated lat pull down, plate loaded. Also, come over here, the seat swivels to the side and then you can sit down on the floor and you can do floor rows. So basically it's two machines, a lat pull down and a seated row. It's a pretty cool idea actually, and we got it on sale. It's like $999, which is pretty cheap, so decided to snag it for the center, put it together, follow along, enjoy, bud. We went to Nova Scotia, and I like. I don't care.
Thing is, for me though, I love going to the gym.
Thank you for the question.
Doesn't want saplings in here. Oh, doesn't want saplings.
That just didn't all come with it.
What's that?
Like that just didn't all come with it, like the bank.
No, it's got your hand and stuff. No, it's completely different company, so. Not their new bank account. Plus there's two owners and so on.
Demonetize your shit. It's quite a heavy duty leg there, bud. It's quite the unit. I like it. So here's the bottom of the lat pull down right there. So I assume we're gonna start building up from the floor.
Take those bumpers off and then put the tubes on. I couldn't figure out what those washers are now, I found it. Okay. Yeah, see, it looks like two freaking washers. It just looks like a washer there and a washer there. What the heck is that? It's a big tube.
What do you think I should make this?
Hey bud.
Pizza box.
Should there not be another washer here and a washer there to take the force of this?
There's the bumpers there, 28. There's nothing here. There's just a bar, these two things, and then the bumper.
Okay.
Yeah, it should.
Yep.
I found a marker under the table.
Maybe this one?
Just hold the other one, push out. Yeah. Should work for both.
Almost done.
Must be a bolt that goes in there and pushes it down more.
Maybe.
Because look, that's not touching the ground. Just pull it straight up. There you go. Just have to push it down, I guess.
Just have to be a man.
All that does is hold that in there, so when you pull that up, it moves it sideways.
Yeah.
There you go. Should be in there. This one sits up in.
Oh, that one has to be flipped over.
Does it? Well, this one just for a second then.
Got it.
I thought the words would be on the
It's got a really nice metallic paint in it. It's got like a silver flake in the paint.
Oh, okay, yeah, it does actually flip over because we're both good at
Teamwork makes the dream work, baby.
those are kind of heavy though.
Oh,
Not super heavy, but they're not like a pound, so it's good equipment.
you feel the burn?
Oh, this arm's just sitting. This one's like trying to hold up all the weight.
Don't get you started in there.
You can pull this one forward a little bit, it's not lined up.
There you go. Yeah, I'll leave it loose because
Oh, that's the wife.
yeah, it is.
Where are you, bud?
Can you sing?
Nope. Well, I can sing, but not good.
I can beatbox. Yes, I can.
Let's hear it.
Your dad, not on that.
He's all finished.
No, Dad was finished.
No, I was letting you do that because you're grabbing the drill.
And that was 3 people back then.
I'm gonna go buy something someday, tomorrow.
You know how it's super at the end of the night, they put the stuff that's already shaved and Swiss cheese, and it was almost $25.
Wonder what it's rated for.
I don't think it said anywhere, did it?
No.
Awesome.
Yes, it is.
No, no,
No.
It's a
it's a really good grip.